Hi, this is Raymond from EVOffer and MTech. Today we will show you how to install the light version of soft closing door. The benefit of the light version is that it's very easy to install. It does not work as good as our Mark III, but it is easy to install. That's a big plus. So let me try to show you how you do the install. You will get 4 locks, 2 right and 2 left, and then 4 emergency pull wire, and that's it. It's just removal of the factory lock and then installation of this lock. So the first thing I will teach you before you start the installation is to attach the 4 emergency wire to each of the door lock. So you will see 2 with the silver hat and 2 with the black hat. The black hat is for the rear door, and the silver thing is for the front door. So let me try to the installation is the same. So let me try to grab one door and then show you how to do the attachment. So to hook in the lock, so you just need to go into this side. You can see this piece. Try to use tool or your finger to pull it outward. So you can see that there is a little circular thing for you to hook the emergency pull wire. So let me grab one of this. So on one end of the emergency pull wire, you can see this little thing. So this is where you hook it in. The thinner one, the thinner circular thing, we hook it into here. So let me try to show you. So I'll just try to hook it in. So you need to hook it into an angle. If you do it like this, it cannot be inserted. So you need to do it in like an angle, not an angle, but in a certain orientation. So let me try to do it. So now I'm trying to push it in this direction. So after I push it in, I can rotate it 90 degrees. So it's hooked in now. So make sure it's hooked in, and then we just hook this into here. So just insert this, and here's click. So that's it. Yeah. So after that, we'll try to disassemble the door panel, remove the OEM lock, and remember to use this provided set of screws for the lock. Don't use the OEM screws. Use this set of the screws, and then the installation will be completed. So this is a T25, so just use a T25 screwdriver to replace the lock. So you can refer to our previous videos to how to remove the door panel. We have a lot of information about that. So I'll just show you how to install one of the door locks. So taking a Model 3 front door, for example, you just need to remove the OEM lock. So let me try to take out the emergency pull wire from here first. So then I'll just try to unscrew the existing factory lock. This is a T25. So make sure you get T25. Yeah, otherwise, if you use a smaller one, the screw might strip, so then you cannot remove the lock. So after I unscrew the 3 screw, I just disconnect the connector of the lock, and then pull out the lock. So we'll try to pull the emergency wire first, and then we'll pull out the lock. So we take out the screw from the lock first. So we use this screw using our given screw, remember. So I just try to get it out and then place the lock. So just screw all the 3 screws back in, and then the installation will be done. So after you finish, after you connect the lock, you can try to test it once. So it can lock, then we can just use the emergency pull wire to release it, and then just reverse the installation then you would offset. There's one more thing you need to take caution after you install the light version of soft close door. After you install the light version, the window, after you connect everything back in here, your window will not go down. So you need to release the door one time to lower it. So let me click on it. So after you lower, then you can just close the door. But before you close the door, after you put back everything, make sure you open the unlatch the door one time. So just click on the button or release the handle, so the window will go down, so it will not hit the trim piece.